Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge, service providers Situn and Ambika. In this Python tutorial, we will learn built-in functions for string in Python, len function in Python. Len function. The len function returns the number of items in an object. Syntax: len object. The object may be a sequence such as a string, tuple or list, or a collection such as a dictionary or set. You can pass any sequence you want to the len function and it will return the length of the sequence. A sequence length is the number of elements it has. You can pass the len function a string value or a variable containing a string, and the len function returns the number of characters in that string. To get a better understanding of the function, let's examine some examples of len function in Python. Example. In this example, the len function returns the length of the string. It is then passed to print function to be displayed on the screen. The string Python world has 12 characters. The len function returns an integer value of 12. You count every character including a space. Similarly, the string hello has 5 characters. So the len function returns an integer value of 5. In the last statement, the argument passed to the len function is an empty string, so it will return an integer value of 0. You can pass the len function a string value or a variable containing a string. In the first statement, we used a variable containing a string. In the second and third cases, we used a string value. The len function returns the number of items in an object. When the object is a string, it returns the number of characters in the string including spaces. That means the len function returns the length of the string. For watching, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Previous video was traversing string in Python. Next video is capitalize function in Python. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.